Now this is a very important problem because this problem alone has the capacity or the ability to ruin your entire paper. Especially if you know how to solve this problem, there is a very good chance that you will ruin your paper. You will lose a lot of time because of this problem. If you try to solve it, you will figure it out what that problem is. So I want you guys to pause the video now and try to solve it. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to give you the solution. How many squares and rectangles? Basically, how many quadrilaterals? How many squares and rectangles can be drawn by a set of four straight parallel lines perpendicular to another set of four parallel lines? So there are four parallel lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there is another set of parallel line which is perpendicular to this. Perpendicular means in 90 degree. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find how many squares and rectangles. Basically, since they are already in 90 degree, we just have to find how many quadrilaterals we can form. Okay, so the easiest way to solve this problem is, imagine I want to draw a rectangle or a square, quadrilateral. What will I do? Only thing which I have to do is I have to select two of the parallel lines. You can select any one. Imagine if I select one this and one this from this side, and I will select one from here and one from here. So the only thing which matches is, so this line I have chosen, this line I have chosen, or in the vertical dimension I have chosen this, I have chosen this. So this is the quadrilateral which I drew because of that. Okay. Now imagine if I'm choosing something else. For example, you can actually try to do this yourself. Okay, imagine I am choosing this line and this line. Okay, similarly I will choose this line and this line. So the only thing which matches is this line, this line, this line, this line. This will be my square or rectangle. Now basically, if you want to make if you want to find the number of quadrilaterals and rectangles, all you have to do is you simply have to select two lines out of these four lines. Select two from here, and also select two from here. Select two from here. So out of the four lines from here, if I'm selecting two, that is 4C2 probability. Similarly, possibilities. Similarly, out of this four, I can select another. Out of four, I can select another two, and you simply have to multiply them, and that will become C. Since we are finding 4C2, I'll start with 4, and since it is 2, I simply have to write 4 into 3 and divide by this 2 factorial, or 2 into 1. And you simply have to repeat that once more. That is, start with 4. Since it is 2, you simply have to write, reduce it like 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. So once you solve it, you will find this is 6 into 6, and the answer is 36. So there are 36 possible quadrilaterals which we can make out of this, but that is not there in the option. When that is not there in the option, what you will usually do is that you will redo this problem. You will do it twice, thrice, 4 times, and you will be sure that this is the correct answer. So your ego, whenever maths is solving, our ego usually kicks in, and we will waste a lot of time. So the thing is that sometimes even the questionnaire can make a mistake. So if you imagine, if you're solving something, if you're getting an answer and you're sure that that is the correct answer, but that's not there in the option, you can give a very small amount of time to rectify that problem. If you're not able to figure it out, skip it. You don't even have to guess it, just skip it. Because this question, even for me, whenever I have to make a video, I actually get a question, I try to solve it. Okay, for me there is no option of skipping. I simply have to solve it. I got the answer 36 in the first two. I know how to do this problem, but I have wasted a lot of time. I was like, my answer is not there. I have no idea what to do. Finally, I checked the answer key, and they have cancel this problem. So this is a cancel problem because the answer is 36, which is not there in the option. Now I'll give you one more practice problem just to understand, just to see if you can make this thing. So there are two sets of intersecting parallel lines, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goes that way. 1, 2, 3. 3 goes this way. I want you guys to, let's say, let's increase it, let's make it more beautiful. 4 that way and 6 way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parallel lines, assume they are parallel, and 4 parallel lines here. I want you guys to find how many quadrilateral, a closed figure with 4 sides, you can make out of this. Okay, just try to find the answer. Okay, if you need time, pause the video. I'm going to give you the answer. How to find the answer? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, you simply have to select any 2. 6, C2. Similarly, from this 4, you simply have to select any 2. 4, C2 and multiply them. That many possibilities will be there. So, the answer is, since it is 6 and only 2 times, 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. Similarly, 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. That is 2. This is 3. 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. 2, 5 into 2 is 10. 3 into 3 is 9. Your answer is 90. 90 quadrilaterals you can make out of this figure. So that's how you solve this problem. Thank you.